Next up, test drive for Phalanx. In this we need to visit 8 points of interest using the Tactical Amphibious Vehicle in the same deployment. That's that new vehicle that travels on both water and land. Simple. So as this vehicle only spawns on Vondel, we'll need to go to Surprise Vondel. So we'll matchmake and just drive around like a madman as soon as we find one. We need to visit all 8 points of interest. Okay, sweet. Now that we're back here, we just need to find the correct vehicle. There's one all the way on that side of the island, but I suppose we can start up here. So we'll go maybe across like this. Castle, University, City Hall, Central Station, Mall, Market, Graveyard, Viaduct, Floating District. That should be about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 places of interest. Cool. So it should definitely be easy to visit 8. There's no need to extract or anything like that, so at least it's nice and simple. Okay, so I'm grabbing this vehicle. We'll now need to travel to 8 different points of interest. So first of all, I'll start with the castle over here, but it seems that because we were already in here, it doesn't count. Weird. Maybe if we drive back into here, it will. Okay, so we'll leave and head towards the graveyard. As such, now we'll head back to the castle area. So both of them are counted now. We'll head up to the university, or townhouse rather. That counted. Cool. Heck, maybe just driving around in the water is all we need to do. City Hall, there's another one. Let's just head across to Central Station, then south towards the museum, exhibit, and the rest. So exhibit first, there we go, or rather museum first, and there we go. Now we visited all of these different locations. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.